It's Monday morning and you need the latest client proposal. Instead of searching for 10 minutes, just ask Copilot and get the answer. I'm Valentina from mysmb.com, and here's how to use Microsoft 365 Copilot to help you turn information into answers quickly. You already have powerful information: emails, documents, policies, meeting notes, client information. The challenge? Finding it when you need it. Copilot lets you search across emails, files, meetings, and chats using plain English, the same way you'd ask a colleague. No digging through folders, no guessing file names, no "I had a document somewhere." Just ask. For example, summarise our leave policy. What did we agree at the last week's client meeting? Find the latest version of our pricing document. Copilot only finds information you already have permission to access, so it works within your existing security and data controls. At mysmb.com, we help businesses get the most from Microsoft 365 Copilot, securely, responsibly, with real AI confidence. Less searching, more doing. Get Copilot ready with mysmb.com.